Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a pyramid, a rectangular pyramid. That means the base area will be a rectangle, okay? 12 by 6 and a height, which is the perpendicular height. So I got a height, perpendicular height is given. I'm also given the base, not the area, but the base. So how do I find area of a rectangle? Yes, 12 times 6. So volume of this pyramid will therefore be equal to 1/3 times the base area, which is 12 times 6, times the height, 9. This will give us 216 cm cubed. We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.